Thanks so much for joining me. My name is Jen. I'm an adult services librarian at the Warrenville Public Library District. I'm going to show you today how to join a Zoom meeting, since we'll be hosting some of our library programs on Zoom very shortly. It's a super easy process if you've never done it before. So if you're joining a library program or a meeting that you've been invited to, you will get a link either in an email or posted to our website. All you have to do is click on that invite link, and it will go ahead and open in your web browser. If you've never used Zoom before, it will prompt you to go ahead and download and install the program. It's very easy. Just hit Save File. You can save it wherever you want. When it's finished, you'll see the prompt up here. It also opens up in my browser right here. You just click Open File, and it will go ahead and run the Zoom client. It will set that up for you. Once you've done this once, it should be set up on your computer and you never have to do it again. It'll ask you for your name. You can put in whatever you want. This will show up to other meeting attendants though. Click Join Meeting. It'll show you some information and give you some options for setting up your video and audio. You can set up video if you want to. If you do set up video, you're going to have to look at yourself the whole time, so you may not want to do that, especially if you're just watching a program where it doesn't matter if other people can see you. So you can turn that on and off down here. If you're just watching something, you can go ahead and click Join Audio. It'll give you the chance to test your speaker and your microphone. It'll ask you if you hear a ringtone, say yes. It'll ask you if you can hear yourself. It'll record you and play you back. If you can hear that, go ahead and click yes. And then hit Join with Computer Audio. Now, there is also a chat option. You can just use that chat to kind of ask questions if people are taking questions, or communicate also with the other people in the group. So you can see this To option. It'll let you send text to just the host or to everyone who is in the current Zoom. You don't have to set up as an account or anything to use Zoom. You can just sign in. If you do want to set up an account, I can show you how to do that next. If you do want to set up a Zoom account, if you're going to be using it regularly, it's very easy to sign up for an account. You just go to their website, zoom.us, click on Sign Up. They'll ask you for your date of birth. You do have to be at least 13 in order to sign up for an account. And then they'll ask you for your work email address. They target it as a business service. If you don't have a work email address, that's fine. Go ahead and put in whatever you want. Click Sign Up. They'll send you an email, and you want to go ahead and click on that email link. And click Activate Account. They'll create your account, and then they'll go ahead and ask you to fill in your information. Create a password. They have all the guidelines right there, which are really easy to do. Click Continue, and then create a bigger account. You don't have to fill in any of this. They're encouraging you to invite other people to use Zoom. Probably people can take care of that themselves, but if you are helping someone else set up an account, you can definitely put in their email. It will just send them that confirmation link. They just have to click that. Go ahead and let it know that you're not a robot. Skip this step. That's fine. And they'll set up a test meeting for you so you can try out all of your information. In your account, They'll give you some information about what's going on. There are some free features that normally exist that aren't available right now, just because of the huge demand they have going on right now. So sometimes you can call in to listen to a meeting on your phone, but right now, if you have a free account, they're pretty much relying on computer audio. Most of the time, if you're just watching a meeting, or if you're watching a program or something, that just means turning on your speakers so you can listen. So that's not too much of a problem. And from there, you can have, if people have invited you to meetings, they'll say right there. You can schedule new meetings to invite people to if you want to host game night, or just chat with family who might not be with you right now. You can set up meetings that way as well. If you have any questions, feel free to send us an email. That's probably the easiest way to get to us right now. reference@warrenville.com. We will get a hold of that and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you.